Obviously we're not in the trailer right now. We are cooking some dinner, and because it is the new year, like most people, we're gonna try to make a few changes in some habits, and one of those habits is our eating habits. We got this little gem for Christmas, the Instapot air fryer, and we've been dabbling with it, and tonight I'm trying a new recipe in there, which is a really nice chicken. We're going to do asparagus and then some potatoes. Found a recipe online that looked really good, nice juicy chicken, and so we're trying to start off the new year right, and we thought we'd take you with us. So what we got going on right now in the air fryer are 2 chicken breasts, a little bit of olive oil, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. The recipe does call for salt, but we're not adding salt. We don't do salt in our diet. And then you basically just set it for 360, 9 minutes, then we'll flip it, another 9 minutes, then we'll throw the potatoes in. The potatoes take, what'd you say?
5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah, like 5 minutes in the air fryer. And then the asparagus we got baking in the oven. I'll show you that. All right, so that's 9 minutes. What we're gonna do is just rotate the chicken now. Oh, looks delicious. Uh-oh. Pop that back in. We're gonna go air fry another 9 minutes at 360 and start. And that should be it. Okay, so those should be done. It says to go ahead and check the temperature. And if they don't get up to that 160, then go ahead and close the door and just let it set for about 5 minutes and let it continue to cook. Okay, so those are a little bit bigger breasts. So we're gonna let them sit for 5 minutes and see what the temperature does. It says that it'll continue to cook if you just close that door. Okay, so we've gone ahead and put the chicken under foil. It says to let it set for 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna get the potatoes in here. And they take about 5 minutes to cook. So we're gonna go ahead and pour those in. All right, the potatoes are in. And we're gonna do it for what? What's the temperature? Air fry. Temperature 350. Time is going to be 6 minutes. And start. Okay, so there it is, the finished product. The chicken is nice and moist and got some good flavor, and we're gonna enjoy it. So thanks once again for coming along. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returner, we hope you like the video. Give that a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and enjoy some healthy meals this year. We're gonna give that a try. We'll see you in the next video.